Okay.
Hello, I'm Ian with Sterilized Autoclave Solutions. Today I'm here with the 5075 HSG, and I'm going to show you how to change the door gasket. The door gasket on these is unlike the other Kuttenauers, the smaller ones. There is a set of screws that go all the way around. So to change this, you undo all these screws, and it will loosen up these plates. And at that point, the gasket will come all the way out. Now when you install the new one, make sure that you have that rib right in place. And this is the C channel. It will go right through the C channel, back into place. And fit nice and snug. Once it is back in place, all the way around, you just tighten them back down, and it will hold that gasket in place for you. If you have any questions, please call us at 704-966-1650. Thank you.